Okay, so let's just wait some minutes and so that other people will join us. Sorry about the problem because I don't know what happened actually. Please like the video so that it will done so that the platform will send notification to other people to join us. Matter Bill. Okay, so let me continue because I don't need to just hang on like that. People that are rejoicing and celebrating this issue, they are doing it because they feel that PM is their problem, right? He is the problem to them. But we all need to understand that before PM joined, we already have problem, right? Kidnapping and all that, all those things were still there before PM. Like as I was saying before the video, before we had problem that we just had, that video, I was telling us that before when Wazirike was agitating for Biafra, the problem then and what you have now, they are not the same, not at all. So it is very, very wrong for anybody to think that we are best thing to do now is to give join politics and other politics. You have been defeated. Igbos have been defeated politically, and you want to talk about making peace or negotiation. If you are Nigerian, for example, and you know that you have conquered these people, are you going to give them chance to talk, to sit on a round table? The answer is no. It is natural. If you know that you can, this person, you can beat the person up, you can do anything you want to do, and nobody is going to call you for order. Nobody is going to call you to order, rather. You will keep on doing that, knowing fully well that the person don't have anybody to speak for him or to speak for her. How do you think that jubilating or signing petition, according to what I'm reading from their platform, that they are the ones signing petition tagging Finland government and Finland president about the activities of Biafran Prime Minister in Igbo land, calling for his persecution and calling for his arrest. They have started doing this since last year. They have been doing this since last year. It did not just start today. And from day one, they have in mind of making sure they rise against anybody. This is not about PMO. They will rise against anybody that want to question the pending doom that will eventually hit Ebola if care is not taken. Mazen Kano, was shouting about this, crying and shouting for people to pay attention to this problem. He was doing that until they started calling for his head. And they succeeded selling him out. PM picked it up. The problem that we have in our midst, which many of us are not taking, paying attention, is having somebody that is your brother, and that person is actually the main problem, the instigator of the pending doom, because now there's no problem in Igbo land to compare what is awaiting. I don't know if for some of us that are very good in maybe in software, there are some questions that we ask you, yes, like, or maybe let me use the one that is common to everybody. Like, if you have come in contact with virus on your system, on your computer system or phone, they will tell you, they will give you option, like a display option that install. Okay, install or yes or install. They will not give you option for uninstall or delete. What I'm trying to say is this: as in the condition that we are now, is nobody knows what is going to happen next minute. But if you know that you have options of choosing yes, the same thing that you get when you say no will be the same answer that you are going to get when you say yes. That is the condition of Igbo people now. If you choose to sell anybody, sell your brother out, and make sure that you stop him in the word of DOS and their members, if you choose to go by that to attack PM and make sure that you bring him down, it is as good as you saying that you support Ruga. It is as good as you saying that you are in support of banditry, kidnapping, and terrorism. It is the same option. No matter if you choose to go to make sure that you eradicate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which they have done, but they have not taken his life. But they have succeeded in putting him in a condition that is very, very, the chance is very slim. Then the same group of people are now going after PM, bragging while doing that. Okay? If you take these two people away, the only option you have is the same option that people who don't have Mazi Nnamdi Kanu are receiving now. People who don't have Sam Ekpa are receiving now. That is the only option. And to tell you that from get-go, they know what they want. Someone like Emeka Gift started broadcasting or preaching about saying that he's supporting Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and all what have you, hiding his image and name and other things. It tells you that from day one they have their roadmap of what they want to do, because nobody will give you freedom hiding his or her identity. That is number one. Number two, you cannot say you are fighting for freedom by pretending that okay, we are all the same, we are this, we are that, knowing fully well that your intention is to sabotage. When you hear Methuselah, Emeka Gift, Biafran Child, or Azayoba, all of them, one thing they have in common is to make sure that PM go down, PM go down, PM go down, PM go down. If you are good in sending people down, there's no way you will be good in lifting people like that person that you send down up. There's no way. So it's either you lift opposite of what you send down up, or you keep on sending people like that down. Now they say that they are the ones they sign petition and they are celebrating, drinking, pumping champagne, jubilating. My question is, I hope this your jubilation will now release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, will now bring the so-called quote-unquote peace in Igbo land. But I know it is not possible. This is what you get when you have too many gangsters in movement like Biafran movement, like freedom movement like IPOB or Biafran issue. When you have too many gangsters piloting the affairs of organizations like IPOB, this is what you get. People that are good in execution, intimidation, and harassment, and what the rest of them. Please, guys, if you notice that Biafran's media team or Biafran cabinet members, Biafran government, they are streaming live, let me know. Just let me call my attention, because I don't know, the attack is suppressing this second stream like never before. But no problem, we are going to do it. I don't know where the attack is coming from. We were streaming live, and the stream was very, very okay. All of a sudden, the whole thing started crashing down. So this is a second part of it. I just restart this one. So in case if you missed the first one, please, later you just watch it. It's only just 12 minutes. We are almost at our peak before we had that interruption. But please like the video as you join me now. All you need to do to like it, so that other people that were watching us before, we now know that we are back again, with another we have restarted the program. That's the word. So those things they're doing today cannot give us what we want. Igbo one negi, always go after your brother. Always your mind is how to deal with your brother, how to buy your brother. This is the one of the reasons why I said I will never ever ever support any other thing. You see these two people, Mas Nnamdi Kanu, Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister. These two individuals, okay, because this is the issue of Igbo people, if Igbos end up destroying their agenda and their plan and their movement to protect our land, I'm not saying to go to fight war. I'm not saying that to go after anybody. To protect our land, to make sure that we protect our border. If we fail to achieve this thing with these two people, believe it or not, Igbo land will be conquered by Islam. I'm saying it for the first time. I can hear you loud. Yes, thank you, my sister. So, and Okolie Pascal said, good sir, my brother, I beg, what I am hearing about our PM is not true. Are you asking me, or are you telling me that it's not true, or you are asking me if it is true? Image cannot be frozen. It can never be frozen. It is okay here. My live stream, this one is very, very okay. Please hit that button. And Ubi Fidelis, sorry, I skipped your message. Your comment, he said, the live stream has started, though. Okay. Yes, we are back again. And Toji said, without Master of Samanepa, the speed DOS will never get out one kobo. No. One thing you need to understand that it's not about getting one kobo. What they are doing is what court. If you study in Nigeria, you will understand how Egede guys. You know what I mean by Egede? Court, school, this tertiary institution court and all that. Court. What they normally do is what these people are doing. And that's why I said that 99% of them are Egede. They are all blended. I'm telling you what I know. They are all blended. That's why if you are blend, what they would do, what they normally do is that once this person is there, to them, what PM is doing is power. They want to exert power. They don't care to know the result of what he's doing. They don't care to know the result of what Master Okada is doing. Their mindset will be concentrated in one thing only. Please, can another person confirm if this live stream is frozen or not? To me, everything here is normal because Erin said that it's frozen. Can somebody else confirm that? Is it true? Because my network is very, very okay now. Very, very okay. And the image and everything seems to be nice here. So another person needs to confirm this for me because I don't know what is going on. Even the view is somehow being attacked. I can see that. But we must continue. I'm not going to spend much time here. I just want to, celebrate with them. The cabinet have started. Thanks. Okay. Thank you for informing me. So that is why I said you should let me know. Good to go. Yeah, please, we are going to, repeat this broadcast because we were interrupted before, and now the cabinet members have started. So let's join them, okay? And subscribe if you are new. So that anytime we continue this live stream, you will be able to join us as well. Please stop Mazeka. I will stop now. Thank you guys and see you again. Let's join.